Hey guys, Steve here with Rebel Off-Road. Brian got his Explorer rack put on last night, and we added his new Lohtse tent by OVS. This tent is awesome. It's super sleek, has rails up top, and it opens and closes beautifully. We're going to give you a little demonstration and kind of show you a little bit around this tent right now. So Brian, let's get this opened up. So you're going to have like a clamshell design on this tent. This tent is also going to come with a 2-inch memory foam mattress, which is nice. Also blackout material, so when you're inside this tent, it is completely dark. No matter if it's morning or night, you're not going to be able to see anything inside the tent unless you use the light on the inside. It has a USB hookup. That way you can hook up to one of your batteries to light the inside of the tent as well. It has mounts, storage pockets up here for, say, like an iPad or your phone or whatever, wallet keys. This tent is definitely one of the easiest tents we've had to open and close, so we're definitely super happy with this tent. If you want to push this piece up here too as well, see the full surrounding of the tent. It has complete views around the whole tent too, so you have a window there, up front, and on the other side as well, and in each corner. This tent also comes with your anti-condensation mat, and as well as all-weather or cold season liner as well. And then if we want to just close it up, super simple. Tuck that in there. You pull the bungee cord up here, keeps everything nice and tight on the inside. Boom, you just pull down the latches and your tent's secure. So if you guys have any questions on this, feel free to reach out to us and we'll get you taken care of.